All right, here's a little AI test I'm going to do. I don't know if it's going to work, but probably has some degree of success if you're seeing this now. So what I've got here is a bottle of orange juice and a empty glass. What I might do is unscrew that. I'm going to take a few photos and then I'll see if I can animate the orange juice being poured into the empty glass here. This is the still image from my camera, and I then uploaded it to Video Express 2, and I created a folder called orange juice, and then I uploaded the still image there, and I selected it, and I put this prompt: the bottle of orange juice is lifted by an invisible hand and poured into the glass, next to it. So let's see the result of that animation. It takes a few minutes to generate that video. So there it is. I right click, I'll play. Let's have a look. And it's put a hand in that's not invisible and pours the orange juice. Let's try again. So I've gone to ChatGPT and put that original prompt in there to see if it can expand it and make it better, which it has, and there it is there. And I'm going to copy that and paste it back into Video Express and try again. Okay, I'm pasting over the top of the old prompt. Click Create Video. I'll pause, wait a few minutes. Here it is there. Let's check it out. And voila, it's worked. An invisible hand pours the orange juice. Wow, I love it. Only on my second attempt as well. Here's a replay. This is the first one it generated with the hand, and the second one with the invisible hand. And here's just a slow motion of the first two, just to slow it down. And the second one, that worked out beautifully. Thanks for watching. If you've liked what you've seen, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this a thumbs up. And if you want to try out the same software I used to make this video, just click the link below.